Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm coming with my robe because you know we're gonna do a get ready with me for my anniversary dinner. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. I have to keep this robe like, you know, kind of centered because this will be like an accident happening here. So I'm gonna do a blue look because my hub's, that's his favorite thing. So we're gonna do a blue look, and yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just stamp this because he is obsessed with blue. Obsessed. I mean, I like blue looks too, you know, but he loves them. Love, love, love. So let's start with this is a T83. I'm gonna go into this palette right here. This is the Masquerade palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and we're just gonna put that in the order B and then just stamp it. This is kind of a shimmer, so oh, is that what I want? I don't know. This maybe not. I don't know if I like this. Let's go into this palette right here. This is the Disco palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna go into this blue because I want this blue to be like quite dark. And then just kind of buff it up. I love this blue. I feel like this is like my favorite blue that I have. So that is that. See how quick this is? Like putting this brush where I can find it. And now I'm gonna take, this is a Firm Shadow C124 from Crown, and I'm just putting some glitter glue right here. I'm actually done with this palette for now because I only wanted one shade from there. Now I'm gonna go into this blue right here, this one, and I'm gonna put that on the dark blue right here. I love this blue, it's so pretty. Oh, this one will work. This is a what? An M124 from Morphe, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corners right here. Like so. Now I want to kind of blend everything together so it's like nice and seamless. Not like everything together, but I'll show you. Oh, that's too dense. Okay, I'm gonna take this M506 from Morphe, and I'm gonna blend this like right here. Right here, and just blend this. Just keep blending it. Cause we don't want it to look like, you know, like it ended and it started. You just wanna, it's gonna be no end and no like beginning. And then I'm gonna go back to this brush. Like so. Now I need to do one more thing because I feel like my edge is just a little bit harsh. So we're gonna go in and just kind of blend that nicely. This is a what? An E13 from Morphe. And I'm just gonna use my powder from HudaBeauty. What shade is this? Kafuna. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right here. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done today. I'm actually wearing my favorite lashes, you know, Miami from Lily Lashes. I have my face prime. I'm using my Natasha Denona Prime Magic Primer Anti-Shine Flawless Base. I know that was a mouthful, but we're gonna jump in and do the foundation. I'm actually gonna use this foundation. I used it the other day. Or maybe I'll mix it. I'm gonna mix these two together. Maybe, yeah. Maybe that was too much. And then I'll just put like a little bit of this. Just a little bit. I don't sing this song on here, right? Okay, and I'm gonna use my Ruce brush and I'm just gonna stamp it. Ooh, this robe is gonna get dirty. It's fine, I'll just wash it. This blush is definitely dirty. Let's use this one. Let's use a 732 from Luxie. Just making sure this is nicely blended. Man, I'm so late. Okay, so that is good. I actually want to try this concealer from Patrick Starr. One size, kind of jumbo. Oh, this feels good. Doesn't really have a smell. Man, this look is so cute. I love it. And I'm drinking, you know, my Truly. Trying to figure out what I should use for my contour. It's gonna top right over there. Let's use my HudaBeauty. I feel like right here doesn't have that much. Like right here. Now I'm gonna use my Ruce brush to kind of blend this. Like this just disappears. Like this is such a good contour. So good. And then I'll just do the same thing, like kind of here, like just bring it up. When you do that, it just kind of like, you know, enhance your jawline, you know, which is what you're going for. Especially if you're like me and you gain a little bit of weight, you know, during this whole COVID thing. But I am working on this. So don't do this if you are new to a concealer. Like, if it's a concealer that you use all the time, you can leave it set. If it's not something that you use all the time, don't do this. Because then you're gonna be like stuck, like bending like forever, like I am right now. And what is, I'm gonna just use this brush right here and just gonna dab these just so I get a nice little blend. So I like the finish of that concealer, but you cannot leave it like what I just did today. No, don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna use my Nikkia Joy powder. And let's use this sponge. I'm always looking for like a good concealer. I really like the one from Jeffree Star, but I hate that I have to order it. I'm going heavy because I have to go back there. I have to do my under eye. I know, just ignore the, you know, ton of stuff I have under my eye. Ignore it. And now let me set the rest of my face. And I'm gonna use honey from Fenty to set the rest of my face. Now let's go to the waterline. I'm literally going to kind of just mimic what I did to the top to the bottom. So we're gonna put a little bit of concealer, not concealer, sorry, base, and a little bit of glitter glue because part of this is glitter. Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit of glue. So we're gonna go into this first and put that blue. I'm using a Stila number 28 blush. Okay, and now I'm gonna put that down and I'm gonna go into the blues. The blues. Not sure why I'm singing that. See, like so, this is perfect. And now we're gonna go with the other blue. Okay, this is done. What am I gonna put in my waterline? I want something kind of light. Actually, this will work. This will work. This is Odyssey from Marc Jacobs. So now we're gonna dust off this powder. Yeah, let's use this from Marc Jacobs. It's right there, so I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, let's go in for my, actually I think I'm gonna use Tau, which is the shade right here, for my blush. Done. Yeah, I know that's a lot. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna use this. This is from Makeup by Orlando, and I actually like it. So I know my eyes are bold, but I'm definitely gonna go in with a bold lip. I'm just putting a little bit of this Beaute single shadow just to give it a little like pop in the corner, so it's not so blue. I mean, I'm not taking away from the blue. I just want it a little bit kind of more icy. Okay, let me dust off the powder. I'm gonna do my lip. I'm gonna go off camera, put my clothes on, and then I'm gonna come back. But let me do my lip before. I'm gonna line my lip first, cause okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish up my look, you know, with my clothes and everything, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, all dressed up and ready, you know, to go have dinner with the hubs. So I really like how the blue look came out. I don't know about that red lip and that orange dress, but you already know what. I'm all like crazy colors. See, my nails are orange. So yeah, so that's it for this video. You know, nice idea if you're going on a date, or in my case, you know, celebrating my anniversary. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.